Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining. I'm doing a vacation staycation unboxing. I have stuff from Shein and Amazon. These are stuff that I repurchased. Some of them are stuff that I repurchased, and I'm also buying some of the stuff for the first time. The stuff from Amazon, we have the first one is the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. And I also have the Ebony Wonder Lace Spray to melt the lace, make it look like it's a grow from right out of your skin. You know the vibe. And I also have the Vaseline Golden Hour Glow. Something you can rub on your skin and make it have like an extra glowy. It looks very good. And dark skin, you have that glowy look. So this is the brand Vaseline. I've seen a lot of ladies using this brand. I have the Palmer's, and it's not one of the best. Like, I don't like it because it's like the glitter is too much. May I shine too much? I'm gonna like it. So this brand, I've seen a lot of ladies use it, and it comes in the scent of vanilla cocoa. And this one, this is too much shimmer, and that is it for that one. For this, I have the BTZ Turn It Up Heat Protector Spray. It protects your hair from heat damage. You can also use it in your natural hair to protect it from burning. And I've been using this one for a minute. I also got this one for my mom. This is Seal. I got some Winter Fresh. This is much cheaper on Amazon. It's too expensive in the store, so I'm have to grab this from Amazon. And I also have the 3-in-1 universal phone mount. Yeah, so I'll be vlogging. Many if I have my phone like everywhere possible. So I have the 3-in-1 mount. And my mom wanted these. These are the Welch. So if you don't really like water, or you want like a flavored, something tasting different, if you don't really like the taste of water. Some people don't. This is the Welch pack. It comes in some sachet, 4 sticks, and it have 4 flavor. It comes in grape, passion fruit, strawberry, peach, cherry, panganut. And they say it's a good source of vitamin C, and no sugar is added, 0 sugar. So if you're looking for something, you can try this. And I got 3 of them. I got 3. And I also got this fan. This is like a repurchase. I was using it last year and it broke, so I'm doing a repurchase, and it's one of the best small handheld fan I ever own. It's the brand Easy Ace, so you can go and get it. And trust me, it feels like a little mini standing fan. It is super good. It also comes with a C-type cable, so you can charge it. And the next item, that the moment I purchased this, like, I didn't know say it never good, but me buy it anyhow, and it really never good for true. This wig, I'm gonna wear it for like a little bit, maybe a week or 2. I was thinking about giving it to somebody, but me like, I don't want to give somebody it and then knowing say it not good. Although I would explain that it's not one of the best quality, but I can't take the bring down, so I'm gonna just wait for a week or 2. I don't know. Supposed to be the staycation wig, so I'm gonna have to reorder next week, like a good wig. I don't know why I'm waste my money. I just try it and it failed. So I'm not going to give anybody this because I don't want. we can't take the bring down. We can't take the bring down. So maybe just, I don't know, get a week or 2 wear out of it, and that is it. that is it. And I also have this mini tripod. I have been using it for like a week, and trust me, this is one of the best tripods I ever own. Like if you're an upcoming influencer or content creator and you want something that is very small, you can check this out. I'm going to insert clips and how I attach it to my phone or shoot my phone in another room. So it's very lightweight and it's very neat. The top is adjustable as well. So I'm going to insert a clip so you can see how it works with both phones. It also comes with, where's the top? Oh, it comes with a part. If you this is for persons who own iPhone, but if you don't own an iPhone, it also comes with a part that you can use for Androids. It comes with this part that you can use with your Android. And it has a keychain if you want to attach it to any bag or anything that you have. And this is it. It's very small, it's very compact. It's like one of those unique type of usable tripod. I'm gonna show you how. And it's foldable. You can fold it like this. And my bag is right here. See? That's one of the things that I love about it. I have been using it, as I said, for a week, and people have been asking me, where you get a tripod from? Yeah man, Amazon, and I only paid $24 for it. The name of it is P15 Mini. So if you want to go and get it, you can buy it from Amazon, only $24. And I have this body adhesive, and I tried it, and trust me, if you have a top that you want to stay up on your chest, you can try it. I haven't tried it outside yet with the heat and the sweat, but it worked so far inside. Yeah man, it worked inside. I try it out, come here like. But we're gonna see when I go on my staycation if it's going to hold up, if it's going to hold. So it's a clear gel. You let it dry down a little to get sticky. So you let it dry down a little so it can get sticky. This is how it looks when it's a little bit sticky. And then I'm gonna add the rag to it. I'm gonna stick the rag to it, and then we're gonna see if it holds up. Well, I guess you're gonna need more. It's thick but not as sticky. I didn't add a lot, so I guess it will hold up, but I don't think I can sweat much with this. Or me never add enough. I don't know, but I'm gonna try, because the first time I tried it, it did stay. So might not all about I didn't eat. I don't know, but it worked the first time. This item is the Black Girl Sunscreen 30. My sister have one, I'ma try it, and it feels lightweight. The other sunscreen that I always use, maybe that was one of the reasons why I never like use sunscreen. I always leave this white residue, or it make your skin feel heavy. And then the next thing, so some of them you use them and you feel like at that time the sun come down on your skin, like the penetration, and you can feel the heat. That's one of the reasons why I never like wear sunscreen. And I tried the one that my sister have. It's very lightweight. It's the same thing. I tried at the time when I tried it. I ordered this, so I never get it yet. And it lightweight, and I'm like, thank God. I'm gonna waste money. And it's pretty affordable. I don't remember how much I pay for it, but it's affordable. You can check it out on Amazon, and yeah, it's small. So it's a travel size. It's small. I don't know if they come in bigger size, but this one is small. And I also have this is a headrest phone holder, and you can also use it for tablets and mini tablets, and here mini something like that. Yeah, so it's a headrest phone holder, tablet holder. Yeah, so you put it on the headrest. You know the iron that comes up. Yeah, for who don't know. Yeah, so each part goes on, yeah, like this. So I'm just a show. See if it, yeah. Because I don't know where I'll be sitting. I want something just in case. Suppose I'm sitting at the back or I'm sitting at the front, I can still get to vlog. I have to hold up the camera every 2 seconds, because girl will be tired. I don't know, but yeah, something good to have if you start doing content, or if you plan to do content. Because you can be sitting at the back of the car and you want to do content and you don't want to hold the phone. So yep. So it goes in here, and yeah. So like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to the channel as well. I'm going to show you the stuff that I got from Shein. I'm going to try to do this one fast. Alright, so these are some tights. I got 3 of them. And they call them seamless tights. If you don't want to bulge, yeah man, you can get them from Shein. And one of the things that I'm mostly disappointed in is the swimwear. So this is the swimwear. This is a one piece. The top is too big. My bust not so big, so it can't fit properly. And the next disappointing thing, why this so big? A beach towel? Cause why it's so, look there. She when I get us I know, cause that could have literally used to make one next somewhere. Like what? These are just some of the packages. I'm not going to do everything. Some of them. And this is denim shorts. Because unboxing can be very long. Next, denim shorts. seamless underwear. I like to buy seamless underwear. Can't take the bulge, but I like to see the panty line. So I'm gonna like it. So I always wear seamless underwear. Like you're not gonna see no bulge. It not even look like some have on any underwear because seamless. I can't go wrong. And because I did like the print, I get to the same swimwear and the same thing. Next time maybe learn. Next time. So I got this one in red and black. And it's the same sheet type of thing. Cause I don't understand why this long so big. So look there. No. So you know I cannot wear that. I have to give them to somebody. These are some washcloth from my kitchen. I'm not gonna pull everything cause boy, it's a lot of work. And I got this top. And another top. Yeah, I think that's it. Is that all? Yeah, that's all I'm doing tonight. I think this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next vlog. And yes, I'm going to take you guys with me on my vacation, staycation, cause what you mean we can't leave on Africa come. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.